Wow, it is a windy day out here today, but you know what? You only get so many days off in a week. For me, that's 2. So I gotta get out and do a little bit of riding. I'm out here again on the new 2023 Road Glide Standard. I didn't really mention this in the last video, but if you don't know the difference between a standard and a special, a standard comes with a 107 cubic inch motor, a special comes with a 114. The wheels are different. If I'm not mistaken, the suspension is lower on the special. Like I was saying, yeah, I think the suspension is lower on the specials. They've got the stretched saddlebags and everything like that. And I've heard a lot about suspension on these Harleys and how the factory suspension is just absolutely horrible. And tell you, my ride home from the dealer, I was kind of agreeing. I was like, wow, man, this thing almost feels like it's bottoming out. So down there at the dealership, you know, they didn't bother to put any kind of preload adjustment on, which behind on my left side on that shock there is a preload adjustment. It's got a little knob, you twist it, and it's got numbers. In the owner's manual there are recommended settings depending on your weight if you're carrying a passenger, you know, just like every other motorcycle. So I'm putting the saddlebag guards on, and you got to take the saddlebags off to, you know, unbolt some stuff and everything. That thing's, the adjustment for the preload on the left side, it's just backed off all the way. Totally loose. Like, okay. Get into the owner's manual, take a look, and for my weight, plus, you know, I maybe carry 5 to 10 pounds of gear. You know, if I've got the drone with me, or if I've got other stuff, you know, camera gear, stuff like that, batteries, all that. So, putting that in, that preload should be around the 11 mark. So I cranked it up to the 11 mark, and I go out riding today, as a matter of fact, because I'm kind of recording all the stuff in the same day because of the GoPro screwing up the first time I tried recording the reveal video. It just like conked out, said that it was dead. Are we still recording? I don't know. Kind of hard to see the red light. I don't know. This might have stopped recording. No. Oh, it's still recording. Good. I just saw the little light blinking. Okay. So, the GoPro screwed up on me the other day, and that's why I didn't actually have I would have had the reveal video up the day I purchased the thing. Anyway, I digest. So the suspension when I left had 0 adjustment on it. Now I crank it up to where it says for my weight and everything like that, and I'm riding today. And what a difference. It feels so much better. It's like, wow, you know what? This, I don't know. I could live with this for a while. Yeah, I'm sure, yeah. There are much better suspensions out there. Everybody, you know, talks about the Ohlins and the Legends and everything like that. But for now, we're going to stick with this. And we're going to do what I always say to do. Get out and enjoy the road and enjoy the ride. Guys, we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully we continue not having any snow. I'll see if I can get around this FedEx guy here without getting killed. Yeah, okay, made it. Yeah. We'll see you on the next one, guys.